This time on Legacy 4x4, we're at Morris Off-Road. Let's go have a good time. Issue with being in the back is you gotta wait on every other Jeep, and there's about 11 Jeeps out here, and of those 11 I'd say about 2 or 3 are stock, but most of them are built, and it's gonna be pretty fun. I think we're gonna try and follow them along, and the bad thing about being in the back is if you get stuck, all the Jeep guys are gonna make fun of my truck. I really need a GoPro mount. We're gonna struggle getting footage here, but we're gonna set the tripod up for some obstacles, and I'll check back in when we get something cool, guys. Nice and easy. Little divots are nothing for the air down 37s with the bead locks. Nice little billy goat action. We'll be seeing that later. We're going to take a quick detour around the park, see what's open, and come back, and a few of the built Jeeps are going to hit some of the hard spot, and then we're just going to enjoy this nice day. All right, we found the first obstacle. Let's go look at it.
Look, we've already planned it out getting up here. I got a spare.
Yeah.
Hold up right there, Ryan.
I don't have a jack.
So you're going to readjust.
I got 2 jacks on me.
Don't on me.
When you get where I'm at, go driver. Yeah, go driver.
Go straight outside.
Driver, go driver.
Straighten out. A little bit more
Is
driver.
he trying it? I don't think I'm in the best spot either.
Look at this. It's got skip plates on it.
Yeah, sliders work.
You're on your plate. Are you wanting to back off, or are you wanting to try to hit it again? Go driver. We're getting a little bit centered up. Go passenger. Let me see if I can keep the passenger a little bit. What I don't want is for you to get sideways there. I'm trying to bring you up this way. Go a little bit past. Go, pop it. There you go. Yeah, you're right on. You're on a big rock. Passenger. Oh, passenger. Yes, I am.
Give me a ride home.
There you go.
If need be.
Now you can straighten up. Come on ahead. Come on, go.
There goes. Nice. right. So that's not ideal. Blew that U-joint, so we're in two-wheel drive the rest of the time. Let's have fun. Well, I can't tell you guys how sad I am that both those U-joints blew up in the front, but I guess I should have expected that with the Dana 44. So we're gonna keep it in two, probably have to calm down for the rest of the day, and then when we get back, we can you know, diagnose the damage and fix it, make it better, add some beefy joints there. All right, guys, so we ended up breaking both axle shafts on the Dodge on the shakeout run, which, you know, that was our original plan. So having both of them be broken isn't the end of the world. There's the other one, as you can tell. Toasted. Like I said, though, it's not the end of the world. The shakeout run was designed to shake out and find the weak points. So now, you know, I'm happily back. We had a nice little half day. Hit a few good obstacles, one really good obstacle, as you can see in the video. But other than that, we got a good little test run for the Dodge. So with those being broken, though, we now have the option of replacing those shafts with chromoly shafts and buying a solid axle for that passenger side to get rid of that center axle disconnect. Or we can just swap the tons, and then if we swap the tons, we can put the axles where we want them, and we can get the spacing and the stance proper on this too. So if I wanted to shorten the wheelbase like I originally wanted to do, swapping the tons would allow that to happen easier. I'm going to keep my head high on this one, and I'm gonna sit here and stare at it probably for another few days and decide what I want to do. Maybe I'll swap the tons, maybe I'll just rebuild that Dana 44 to keep it there, keep all the steering in place, because that would be easy. Either way, that was a really fun time. It just goes to show how quickly a fun day can turn into a not fun day with stock Dana 44 axles from 20 years ago on a full-size truck. So I'm happy with it. I had a good day. I will see you guys next time, hopefully with some new upgrades for the Dodge. A quick update on the 39. It's rewired. It's got a nice new switch box in. Everything works perfectly. I just need to fix the clutch. So, you know, as soon as I get done with the Dodge, because the Dodge runs and drives, so it's a lot more fun, so I like working on it. Well, used to run and drive. Either way, as soon as I get done with the Dodge, I'm going to drop the transmission on the 39 and get the clutch fixed and replace anything that's broken on it. So those are the plans for those two. We'll see which one I do first, but I'm thinking it's going to be the red Dodge because it sure was fun. It sure was fun yesterday, crawling it and bouncing up those little boulders. Regardless, I will see you guys next time.